This is the Makita X-Lock. This is your 6.5 ring. You've got 3 of the larger self-tappers there, and you've got 2 of the smaller ones. So first things first, we are going to fit the 2 halves of the ring. So you want the groove at the bottom of the ring, both halves into the slot like that. And then we're going to fit our 2 self-tapping screws. There you go, and it's nice resistance on there. Our next stage, once the ring's on, is we're going to place our shroud on, lining up the 3 holes. The 3 holes we're using is this one, and this one, which are on the outer. You've got 3 inner holes and you've got 3 outer holes. We're using the 3 outer holes, and that is for our next 3 screws. And then you just need to fit your disc, put your cover in place there, connect up the vacuum, and there you are, shroud fitted. Job done.